So we've got the crossbow with the prod installed, and we're going to weigh a bolt at 5.6 grams, and then we're going to test it with the prod extension that everyone's complained about they haven't seen a test, and then we will test it with, we'll remove that and test it without to give you some kind of comparison as to how much gain you get from adding a second partial prod to your crossbow. Okay, quick edit. What you need to be concentrating upon is the energy of the projectile, because that's important for the penetrative power of the projectile. So before the prod extension was in, or without the prod extension rather, then you get 11.1 joules of energy, but that goes up to 13.6 with the prod extension, meaning that you'll have a lot more penetration, and the difference there in terms of energy is far higher due to the square relationship between power and required and speed. So as you'll see, even though my crossbow has been sitting there and it's had a lot of use since I did the upgrade, and I've lost a few feet per second since I first did it, you can see that this mod is beneficial. So we can see with the prod extension in that we've got 229.1 feet per second. There you are.
Crucifix.
Okay, so that's the prod. We've got another bolt here. We've got our turkey set up, and now, as you can see, the second prod piece has been removed and the crossbow's been set up. So let's test this one.
Steady, go.
That was fast. 207.3.
Steady, go. Ready, steady, go.
Glancing shot start, and out the other end.